Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel SuperLinux. So in this video, guys, okay, this is Rani Ahmed with you. I'm a computer expert, and I'm a guy who loves astrophotography and microscopy at the same time. Okay, microscopy, we do photography with microscopes. Okay, so because of the much I have of accessories from both sides for the microscope, and astrophotography talks about telescopes and uses telescopes, so telescope accessories and microscope accessories. So here in this video, I'm gonna do a mixture on the microscope. Okay, I'm gonna use the microscope to take picture from, but I'm gonna use some accessories from the telescope. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's gonna be crazy looking. Okay, because it's unusual, by the way. Okay, to see it like this. So I'm gonna show you unusual stuff. Okay, that's it. Yeah, let's see. So what you are seeing here is this. Let's say the telescope. Here's a telescope prism. Okay, it's about 90-degree prism. Okay, it's not really a prism like a piece of glass that makes a prism. Okay, a complete whole block of glass. This is just a mirror installed on this like this part here. Okay, it's installed over here on this 45 degrees here. Okay, and it's making this 90 degrees path for the light. So that's how they call it 90 degrees. Okay, there's the camera. This is the telescope camera. What's making this let's say prism anyway, this 90 degrees prism here like firmly installed on this microscope. This here has the microscope on this back side over here. Okay, is how much? Okay, this is the diameter here from outside is C mount, the 25 millimeters. This is how they call it. It's like something that's very usually found on microscope parts. Okay, this size of diameter. But the telescope, okay, there's one standard of measurement. Okay, or sizes being used is the 1.25 inch from outside here of the silver pipe over here. Okay, but from inside it comes on a 28 millimeters. Okay, so we're talking about over 31 millimeters from outside, and inside it's like 28 millimeters. So there's a ring. Okay, this is very expensive one, like for $40, and it's just like a very thin ring, like 2 milligrams only. This ring will help you to like adapt the 1.25 inch pipes on the 25 millimeters pipes. Okay. Okay, so this is here what we have is AMScope microscope T120. Okay, because the T for trinocular for this side as on one ocular, and here a binocular, two oculars here. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the image from this SVBONY 105 telescope camera. Okay, so here, sorry about that's not to hide what I'm doing. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I will have to fix the OBS. I'm using OBS to record, so I'm gonna use here the okay. I'm not good at I'm right-handed, so it's hard for me to control. Okay. So what you're seeing now in pale white is the image of the SVBONY camera. Okay, and let's focus. I've installed human cardiac muscle. Okay, something from the heart. Okay, it's just a tissue. They sell it on AliExpress. Okay, don't worry, I did not kill anybody. Okay, thanks God. Okay. So, you know, they got it from the deceased people who passed away. Okay. Okay. So yeah, you can see somewhere where it is not as clear, as obvious as like a clean image. Okay. Some parts are, some parts are not. Like if you go to the far right, okay, you can see it's clearer. Maybe I think this needs some cleaning. Okay, I'm not sure. Are we gonna see that later someday? Okay. But anyway, that's the image. And what I mean from this video is just like, yes, you can focus things. Okay. If you try, okay, and you want to use your telescope parts on your microscope parts, okay, or on your microscope, yes, you can. Okay, so don't think that you can't. Okay, so I'm gonna show you someday also, maybe within these 2 days. Okay, like here I have another biniviewer. Okay, so I have here another biniviewer here, but just meant for telescopes. So because of this 90 degrees prism, okay, and I have another one for 45 degrees, by the way. The other one 45 degrees can erect the image, by the way. So you can, if there is some kind of writing, okay, you see it normally, okay, naturally, okay, in the natural direction, okay. So this does not. This will invert the image, okay. It will not completely correct it, okay. Still the writing will come inverted, but it will, things which are seen like you see them like this, you'll be seeing them like downwards, okay. And upwards will be going downwards, as I said, and downwards will be going upwards, okay. So yeah, so because this is a mirror, you know, it's intended to reflect things, okay. So yeah, so maybe later, as I said, we're going to use because I have two binoviewers, I'm going to use one of them to install it on this side, okay, and we're going to see whether it's going to focus, okay. Maybe we'll install it on one side of the bino, okay, the camera, but you know, I must show you that yes, I can see things, okay, but this is, you know, because it's a bino-viewer, it's hard to be told on YouTube, okay. This something has to be experienced humanly, completely, okay. So this is the whole thing here, okay. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like our channel, okay, and please look into our channel for more like of these mixtures, okay. I know maybe you don't need them, but just for the sake of fun, yeah, and learning, okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.